Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and increase CIBC credit card limit. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into our video. So if you have been wondering whether you can increase your credit card limit on CIBC or not, so for that, the thing that it kind of depends on your spending habits and the money how you spend and simply those behaviors. Because if you do have good management right over there in the CIBC credit card, you're using it properly and you have a good manner for you to use it, you will be able to request to increase the limit here on CIBC. So for that, generally, first of all, you have to go to their help center, and then all you have to do is simply gonna go ahead, tap on this little chat icon right over here, and here in the section you're gonna ask increase credit limit and simply say in this particular topic of yours. Once you have done so, you can see how do I increase my credit card limit is there. Just simply tap on it and it will simply load another tab for you. You can see to be eligible for a credit limit increase to your CIBC credit card is your CIBC credit account must be in a good standing. As I mentioned before, you are the primary card holder of the CIBC credit card account. Your credit card account has been open for at least 6 months, and etc. So right over there you can see this is the qualification you require for you to increase the credit card. Make sure to read them all. If you fall into the requirements, you're good to go. And right over here you can see you can request and increase your credit card limit through CIBC online banking or CIBC mobile banking. It will work for your mobile banking app as well, or you can simply come over to cibc.com here in your browser and simply choose to sign in. Afterwards, you can select customer service and so you can select apply for a credit limit increase. You can also request increase your credit card limit by calling CIBC credit card service. So for personally, I would suggest you to simply call this number. You will be in contact with their employee directly. You can simply request, and if they require any special document, you can also provide them at the same time. You will get the information. You can again recall and check on your progress. So this is the way for you to do so. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.